Hello, guys, welcome back to my podcast, which either you like or you don't. So, I think it is my first time I've uploaded two episodes this close together, but I had a little motivation from a friend who listens to my episodes, so why not give her a new one to bleed her ears to? So, if you remember my last episode, you'll know that I had a family trip coming up and it was awesome. So we stayed at Mohana Homestay in Mohana, Uttarakhand. And the best way to describe the journey till there is that it was boring the whole time and then it was fun at the end. So I'll tell you why. Like most road trips, it was a boring one. We were sleeping, eating, listening to songs. That's like all we did until we reached like the hilly areas and we were searching for hotels to stay in, and every hotel or like a homestay that we asked were full. So we started getting worried about where we would stay. My mom, being my mom, was starting to ration food and thinking about how we would sleep in the car at night. But then my dad remembered like a homestay his friend talked about, so we contacted the owner and he said that yes, there's a room available. After like we talked to the owner and everything, my mom tried to put the homestay's location on the map, but she wasn't able to. So then my brother and I put it on the map, okay, in the car. And this is like an important thing that you have to remember. And then if it were a normal family and a normal story, we would reach the homestay and have a great time, but this is my life we are talking about. So, 50 minutes into following the map, the roads for some reason were getting more compact and smaller. And then came the most exciting part of the journey. So, if I want to describe the road, it was a nano cars with broad. And my mom was freaking out, like shutting her eyes because she thought the car would fall. And Zubin and I were laughing our butts off till we realized that the map showed that we were about to reach, but we didn't see anything like around us, and we were the ones who put the location on the map. So the map could be wrong, and we would have just been driving for 50 minutes in an unknown road. But eventually we reached and it was beautiful. The homestay was in the last village of that mountain area. So it was at the top of the mountain where the homestay was made. So it was like the most beautiful scene ever. And we found two dogs over there, Sheru and Rocky. And Sheru was basically my best friend, following me around the whole village, and he even slept outside our room. Then the next day, we went on a trek that was 5 hours long in total. It took us 1 hour to reach over there at Kimona Falls, and then like 2 to 3 hours to come back because mom needed rest in between. Again, the journey till there can't be explained because you just had to be there to experience the fun. And it was dangerous for sure because the trek, like, bilkul 1 kilometer before the falls, the road was as wide as my foot, and my foot is small, like very small. But at the same time, we were being guided and helped by 3 to 4 guys who were locals of a nearby college. So we made it to and back alive. The next day, we left for Delhi, and on the way back, we rolled down the windows and sang many songs like Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, Kal Ho Na Ho, and many other Shah Rukh Khan songs for 2 hours till we like came out of the hilly area, which was obviously very fun. We made a stop at Dehradun to meet a couple of friends and reached Delhi at 1 in the morning. I went to school 6 hours later, and now we reached the current timeline. School has been going on for a week, and I am busy with school preparation, basketball, and drama. So now that I've posted two episodes consistently, I think I'm gonna disappear again. So hope you enjoyed. Bye.